see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Damn!
Drink for you, mate.
Apa was that?
Not too bad.
Massage siya ga? Ha?
Joe.
Ba't yung camera ko? Ang gamit ko yung iPhone. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna try. Thank you. Nakin na yung kalito. Oh, you like spicy, right? How is this at? I'm sorry. Dahil isang tinatanong ko siya kung kumakain daw siya. So how is it? Antok na si Sako, pero kumakain pa rin siya. Oh. Tawa ng tawa yung daddy niya.
You've had lots of drink. So you have to get the kids done. Little Holly.
Later, hon.
Food, please. Wait.
Yung pagkain ko, mayroong ano,
Yeah, every time. Sophie, come let's go. Alright.
lemongrass. Nangaako yung katabi ko. Good? Antok na yan, no? Tingnan mo. Good? You like it? It's mommy. Masarap siya guys, ano, lemongrass. Ang lasang-lasa yung lemongrass niya. And mayroon siyang ano, meat. Hindi ko alam kung pork or beef. Basta mayroon siyang karne. Tapos ayan o, nakatusok siya sa lemongrass. Tignan mo yung may nangangapit bahay po kahit ano, antok na siya ha. Sarap! Sarap! Ang anghang, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng kanin. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero maanghang din to. Itong maliliit, ito. Maanghang din siya. Na crispy. Masarap. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Tapos may egg. Maanghang yung nasa, ano niya, nasa top. May onion, tapos garlic, tapos kung ano pang mga sangkap. Ang sarap! Ang sarap niya guys. Ang dami niyang ano, kung sa Korean, marami silang mga side dish. Lahat maanghang. Yes. What do you call this one?
Sambal.
Ah, different kind of sambal.
Yeah.
But this one is, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, but this one is not that spicy.
This one spicy, this one fried sambal.
Fried.
And this one
Fresh.
fresh.
Ah, so eto pala, fresh sambal. Eto, fried sambal. Kaya pala maaanghang lahat. Kasi sambal pala sila lahat. Eto.
You want banana split?
How about this one?
You? Five.
Soya.
Five. One by four, please.
Soya pala siya. Fried soya, pero spicy din siya. I'm just gonna have a little share.
I just get.
Tinatanong na ako ng asawa ko kung gusto ko mag-banana split. Sabi ko, mag-share na lang ko yun isa. So, eto naman, soya daw to. Fried soya na spicy.
What else do you have? What else can you have?
Crunchy siyang masarap.
Yeah, just one. Yeah, that's
Wala siyang ulam, guys. Puro lang siya mga side dish. Wala siyang main na ano, wala siyang ulam.
Oh, Sophie. No. She's wild.
Eto, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Karne.
Good girl, Baba. Eat your tea, Baba. Good girl. Then we have some ice cream later.
Kumakain si Ollie din. Pasayaw-sayaw siya. Did you pray? Did you pray, Baba? Baba, did you pray? Thank you. That's mommy. It's mommy. Tapos eto, shredded na pork. Maanghang din. Naubos ni Kuya. How is it? Is it good? A little bit. Blurry. Blurry.
You might have to start with. That's alright. You might have to start wearing your goggles in the pool.
Naubos ni Kuya, oh. Hindi ko natikman. Ha, this is good. Masarap din yung noodles nila. Pa, you want soup?
Switch and start again.
Oo, come on.
Yes, you. Look at that in there. Off that shop.
The one near where we. That's Sadar's. Sadar and Jack. Yeah, she goes to a different school now.
This one na. Try this one, Kuya.
Hey, how about that?
Here, here.
How about that?
Ice cream? Want some ice cream? And banana? Look, here it comes.
Nagustuhan ni TJ yung iniinom kong drink. Nagustuhan ni TJ. Wow. Andiyan na yung ano nila.
Thank you.
Banana split. Yan ang banana split. Banana split.
That's on
Hindi ito ini-expect ni Jan na banana split. Yung banana split na ini-imagine niya, yung katulad sa Aristocrat. Yung sa kanila ganito, oh, fried banana, tas ice cream on top. Han, enjoy your banana split.
Yep.
This one, please, sir.
Yes.
Push you in a little bit. Is that good?
Bananas. How is it? It's alright? Oh, it's good daw guys. Masarap daw. Kahit hindi yun ang ini-expect niyang banana split. Masarap daw. How is it, Zach? Huh? You don't like mochi. Wow, happy birthday. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hooray! Masarap yung banana nila. There's cinnamon. Inasal, binil nila yung banana. Ayan si Kuya. How is it,
Well, I
Dad?
get into them, mate, either.
Good.
That's nice, mate.
Is it nice? Kahit hindi yan katulad ng restaurant.
Dad, you don't think.
Kuya, gusto yung detox na food. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ayan. Si Kuya, siya na nakubos ng drinks ko. You like this, Kuya? Ha? Kuya, you like it? Okay.
Sorry, we haven't. We didn't order.
Thank you.
Is the bill? Can they give me some your time for put your comment on that? How was the food? How was the drink like that? Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Meron sila ditong pa-survey ng food nila. Yung bill namin is 623,700. Yan ang bill.
Seven of them red ones.
Pera nila, ganito ang sure ng pera nila. Bumalik kami dito ulit sa supermarket kasi bumili kami ng Baygon spray kasi may lamok sa kwarto. May mga kagat na kami. And bibili ako ng lemon para sa drink natin bukas. Hindi ko mahanap yung chia seed. Baka nandito siya. Walay. Kala ko dito. Hindi. Mga nuts to eh. Wala. Ano kayang masarap na ano nila, no? Delicacy. I-search natin yan. Para makahanap tayo. Oh, may sampalok siya. Ha? Yeah, wait. What's this? Ano to? Wow. Ano kaya to? Ano, no? Mayroon sila. Parang sampalok ata to. Wala na nakalagay na mandarin. Huwag na nga muna. Mag-search muna tayo na kung ano. Do you have lemon? Lemon? Okay, thank you. Ito pala yung lemon nila. Madami silang fruits din. Oh. So, ito na lang. Dalawa nito. Magkano siya? Ay, may nakakatuwa guys kasi nagbigay ako ng tip. May story ako about sa tip na binigay ko. Akala ko ang laki na ng binigay ko. Yung pala, hindi. Where are you na? Hasaan na siya? Hanapin ko muna yung asawa ko guys. Tsaka yung mga anak ko. Saan sila? Saan sila? Nasa cashier na pala sila. Yeah.
Hey, John.
Kuya, you get a sneakers again? You get another sneakers? What's that, Baba? Ito yung kinuha namin na
You'll get lots back there.
Para sa
back of the thing.
mosquito.
That would trip.
Akala ko ba yun, hindi pala. Hi.
Ah, is that good for mosquitoes?
Is that the best one for mosquito?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You pay.
Is that enough?
No, it's 10,000.
So how
Red
many?
one.
Red one.
Was that 100,000?
Is that
10,000, yeah.
so
Red one.
10,000? This one?
Yeah.
Na-confuse pa kayo sa pera nila, guys. Thank you.
Say Joe.
Oh, Holly.
Past there, she goes, Joe.
Si Holly tinawag daw siya ni Jay. So yan yung change natin. 22,600. Rupiah, right? Yeah. Thank you. Nothing.
Real?
Serious.
Very light.
No, okay. Just put it in the beep. Ng ano, chinelas ni Joe kasi nagka-booster na siya dun sa chinelas niya. So dito kami sa, ano ba to? Basta mga surfing ang mga tinitinda nila. Ayun tayo guys. OOTD guys. May paano tayo dyan, may pa-hangin.
That 1, 2, 3. Another 2 there.
Dito kami sa surfing shop. Ayun, na ganito. That's the one I got. So yung mga price nila dito ng mga Quicksilver, yung mga ano, Rip Curl, pareho lang sa Australia yung price nila. Kasi Australian brand to eh. So bumili lang si Joe ng slipper. Kasi nagkakaroon na siya ng blister dun sa old slipper niya. Stay here na! Hi, Baba! Holly! What's wrong with your eyes?
Stay in.
Yung eyes niyang pula-pula oh.
I can't stay.
Ha? It's guys, oh.
No,
tingnan
no.
niyo, oh.
Doesn't bite.
We're on.
It's competitive, they like.
Oh my God.
Won't
That's...
hurt them.
Hi, Zach. You wanna try?
It won't bite you, darling. Go have a pet. It won't bite you. Go on, I'll show you. Look,
Go try.
it won't bite them.
Pat, Zach, pat. Pat it. Pat it, Zach. Just pat, not the head. The
That's
legs.
alright, the head's fine.
Okay.
It'll never
Tingnan mo
hurt
si
you.
Zach, oh. Ah, look at Zachary. Go there with her. Try it now. Pat it.
It won't bite you.
It won't bite you down. Come on.
He never bites, darling. He never bites. You try it. He won't hurt you. Do you want to hold him, have a photo? He never bites.
Go, Zach. Try. You do it. You first. Go.
Go on, he won't bite you. He never bites.
Okay, your turn, Zach.
Look, get me your hand.
Zach,
Don't
go.
be scared. Don't be scared. I'll put you scared. Don't be scared. He'll never bite you, darling.
Okay, your turn, Zach. Go. Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Okay. Wow.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Hey, give me a high five.
High five. High five for the lady.
High five. Good on ya. Good boy. Have a hold. It's very easy.
Tingnan mo si Zach. Ang tapon talaga ni Zach. Si TJ, ang layo na ni
I'll
TJ.
put him in a pram around the baby. That's how.
Good. Go, Joe. Oh my God.
Yeah, like I've got my hand. That's it.
Oh my God. Snake is that?
The only snake I've ever picked up had a Coke can stuck on its head.
He shouldn't kill me.
No, I didn't kill it.
Give it a kiss for good luck. Good luck.
Zach? John, go. So that you have remembrance. Come on. Go, Zach.
You want to hold him, darling?
Put in your back now. Put kunwari may binubulong siya kay kuya yan. Tapos sisigaw. Tinatry namin na hawakan niya. Go, mama!
They touch.
Ayaw ni Sam.